What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
I know you hear me say my tagline before every single video, and that really holds true with what's inside of this case. I know you probably saw by the thumbnail and the images behind me, but this is something that I never thought of reviewing. Probably won't even get that many views on it, but even still, I just wanted to show you guys this just in case if you're in the market for it. So this company, ExoGun, they reached out to me, and this is actually the ExoGun DreamPro, and I will show you their website because I don't want to get anything wrong with it. I am not a big connoisseur of stuff like this, but this is a massage gun. This massage gun is it's kind of crazy. So a little bit of a backstory. My wife, she got in a car accident, a very bad car accident, I don't know, about 10, 12 years ago. And she actually broke her back and she constantly wants massages. And so this was a little bit selfish of me to actually tell this company to send this over to me, because now instead of massaging her with my hands and my hands getting cramped up and this and that, because she always telling me to keep going and my hands are just aching and cramping up. So now, got this ExoGun. It comes with 4 attachments. You charge it for 6 hours. Little on and off switch on the bottom. You have an LED panel on the back side. You hit the power button. And as you can see right here on the left side, you have the strength. Now I was doing a little bit of research on YouTube. That's where I do all my research. And a lot of the guns that I saw on there, they had like maybe 2, 3, 4 settings, but this actually has 6 settings of pain, for a lack of a better word. And then you also have the battery level on here. So when you first get this, if you do pick this one up, this is the ExoGun DreamPro. What you want to do is charge this for 6 hours and then you're good to go. You have 4 different attachments. You have this crazy thing right here, kind of looks like a pitchfork. You have a ball attachment. You have like a flat attachment. And then you also have another attachment that looks like a little bullet. And let me tell you, I actually use this on myself, and let me go ahead and turn this on. It's probably gonna get a little bit loud. This right here is setting 1. Now on setting 1, you can kind of push as hard as you want and it won't cut off at all. But if you turn it up, if you turn this thing up to 6, I mean, it's a little bit loud, but it's not too loud. And this thing, this thing you will feel it. And then it's kind of weird because you get, like, if you do it in a certain spot for a little bit, you start itching because I guess it's bringing all the blood to the top. And it feels kind of weird, but it's actually a very good tech item to have if you always around someone that wants a massage. Yeah. That's pretty much it. But before I end this very short video, let me go ahead and actually show you their website. So if you go to ExoGun.com, it says percussion therapy, deep tissue massage, the ultimate recovery device. If you click on get yours, that's where you'll see the price. I guess when they first came out, they were like $600, but now they're on sale for $150. And like I said before, I did get this for free. So shouts out to ExoGun for sending this over to me. As you can see right here, it comes with a case, 4 different attachments, the power cable, and then has other pictures of naked people just get massages done. Not naked, but semi-naked. You know what I'm talking about. And then it goes in and tells you about what you get, product specifications. And let me go back to the main page. This is ExoGun. Treat your body right. Don't let pain or soreness slow you down. Let me scroll down. And if I'm going too fast through this website, either pause the video and then read it, or as always, I have links in the description down below. But it says ExoGun features the end of your muscle pain, percussive therapy, powerful massage motor, quiet and portable, customized recovery, 6 speed with 4 attachment, high responsive, shock smart sensitivity. What is percussion therapy? Am I saying that right? Percussion. What is percussion therapy? Percussion therapy boosts muscle function and recovery by penetrating soft muscle tissue with a series of rapid strokes. Proven to increase range of motion, relieve pain, speed recovery, and promote healthy circulation. The best way to benefit from percussive therapy is with ExoGun, the smart percussion massager that reacts to your body. Gain back control of your body and get long-term pain relief with the ExoGun. Professional grade, trusted by experts, improve recovery time, treat your muscles. It says, what can ExoGun do for you? Gives you a breakdown, recover, enhance, relax, and relieve. Has a ergonomic grip for massage heads, like I said before, 6 speeds. And that's pretty much it, man. I mean, nothing much to it. It is a massage gun for athletes, people that have injuries, constant injuries that just need massages all the time. I guess it obviously works better if you have someone use this on you, but if you're on the front side of your body, maybe like your hamstring, your calf, your forearm, biceps, chest area, you can get to those spots yourself. But if you need it on your back, you're going to need help. I mean, you can get your shoulders and everything, but other than that, you're going to need some assistance getting your back area. So yeah, I mean, $150, it might be worth it to some. I know this is definitely a game changer for me because my wife, like I said before, is always asking for massages. So when she asks for a massage now, I just bring out the ExoGun, bada bing, bada boom, and she's happy, I'm happy, happy wife, happy life. And that's what it is. So once again, shouts out to you, ExoGun, for sending this over to me. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos and crazy off the wall stuff, in my opinion, like this, the ExoGun. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.